Hey y'all, welcome back. In today's video, I will be sharing with you how I achieved this all-natural makeup look using products that are new to me. So if you guys are interested in this video, make sure you go ahead and subscribe down below, like this video so you don't miss any uploads, and comment what you want to see next in the comment section down below. And without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Alright, so I'm starting off with the Perfecting Lip Scrub from Makeup by Mario. I use a lot of their products because I've just been receiving so many Makeup by Mario products in PR, and so I was super excited to try them out today. This is their new Master Blade eyebrow pencil, and I really was surprised at how I was able to achieve these hair-like strokes with this pencil. It's giving more of a crayon texture, but the way that it's designed and angled, you can achieve really nice brow hairs. And so you can see me just sculpting out my brows with this pencil, and then also sculpting out some hair-like strokes in the front part of my brow. Next, I'm taking the Master Hold Brow Gel, and baby, I was so shook when I took the spoolie out of the little gel container. Like, it's shaped so unique where it's long on one side and short on the other, and it was such a innovative design to help you brush your brow hairs. And then I just took the outside of the casing, or like the handle of the mascara wand, and I laid my brow hairs, and they look top tier. My brows have been looking so good lately, and this is how. Also, I went in with the Master Mattes palette and used a little bit of that dark brown color to fill in details of my brows, because you know I like a defined brow. And of course, we're going in and cleaning it up with the Tarte Cosmetics. This is their Shape Tape Concealer. I also received a few products from Tarte in PR, so I also included those in this video. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram so y'all can see the final look in my short IGTV tutorials at Slim Reshae, so make sure you guys follow me over there. And now I'm cleaning up the brows on the top. I just used a little bit of concealer to conceal on the top and bottom of my brow. Now I use this Item Beauty Light Sauce moisturizer. I've been saying lit sauce for the longest, but I forget that it's light sauce. And then this is the same Shape Tape concealer. I'm gonna do underpainting today just because I felt like a little razzle dazzle. But another reason why I've been underpainting so often is because you waste less product when you're using your foundation. And so now I'm taking the Shape Tape. This is their Glow Wand concealer. I'm using this to bronze my face. So we're just adding a little bit of warmth to the face before we put on our actual foundation. So I switched it up and blended out my concealer with a brush today. I think it gives it a nice airbrush touch, which is why I chose to use the brush. And I'm just blending in that concealer and kind of blending out all the different things we added to our face for the underpainting process. Next, I'm taking my Tarte Cosmetics. This is the C Hydroflex Serum Foundation, and this foundation honestly surprised me. Not only the shade match, but the coverage was chef's kiss. Like, this is what I need if I am on the beach, I'm on the go, like a serum foundation that is giving straight skin. This is it. Now I'm taking my Makeup by Mario. This is the Soft Sculpt Shaping Stick, and I'm just using this to chisel under my cheekbones just a little bit more, and then adding this blush stick on the apples of my cheeks to warm up the face just a little bit more, give it a nice little rosy look. And then I'm taking my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Butterscotch just to highlight one last time up under the eyes, and I'm also blending it out with a brush. Now I'm applying a thin layer of my Laura Mercier translucent loose setting powder. Moving forward, I do like lay additional powder down like I'm baking, but that's only because this base foundation look is the same foundation from my most recent video where I had the, the baby food on the eyelids, the hunter green and the orange. This is the base makeup from that tutorial, so that's why I added additional powder, just so I would be able to catch any fallout from that eyeshadow application. Now to set my contoured and bronzed areas, I'm using this powder from Charlotte Tilbury. I really like this as a bronzer because it just warms up the face. It's a nice airbrushed finish when you use it, and I just really like this powder. And then after that, I am blending out my entire face with just my foundation brush that I use to blend out my foundation. After I set with my powders and blend it out, I like to go ahead and spray my face. This is the Tarte Shape Tape Stay Spray. And now I'm highlighting with my Nymph All Over highlighting powder. Y'all, I did not know that stood for Not Your Mother's Pantyhose. Like, who comes up with this stuff? I thought that was kind of clever because, your mama pantyhose used to be kind of like silky and shiny with reflux, and I feel like that's exactly what this highlighter is. For lashes, I'm taking my Kaja Wink Lash Trio mascara. I thought this was super cute. It was magnetic, something again easy you can throw in your purse, in your suitcase, in your carry-on when you're on the go. So step 1 is like a clear gel. Step 2 is a lengthening brush and formula, and step 3 is for adding volume. And I feel like all 3 of these steps work so good together with this product. This is what the face is looking like. She is slaying. Now onto the lips. I used my KKW Beauty Nude 3 lip liner. Right now their website is down because I do believe they're rebranding, but I picked this one up at my local Ulta. For the lipstick, I'm taking the Ultra Suede lipstick in Sierra. This was a very good combo, but it was a little bit more pigmented than I wanted for this natural look, so I did wipe a little bit off and then apply this Urban Decay. This is the Vice Plumping Shine Balm in Cruisin', and I think this looked a little bit more natural, so I really like this entire makeup look. You can definitely switch it up easy with a different pop of color on the lips. Alright y'all, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this new to me, trying new to me makeup tutorial slash review. I have to say, this face is giving everything for me. The brows, the mascara, the foundation, Tarte really surprised me. This Hydro Flex Serum Foundation, it just feels and looks like skin. I always love their concealers and stuff like that, so I do have to say Tarte is coming for the girls and the boys, okay? And then Makeup by Mario, I love the sticks for adding flushes of color and dimension to the face, as well as their brow products. I really like the brush on the brow gel. The brow pencil was unique in a sense where usually when I have a crayon style pencil shaped like this, I'm not able to achieve hair-like strokes, and I feel like I was able to achieve hair-like strokes with this, so I really like that. I love when my spoolies are not super soft and they actually separate the hairs when you brush through them, so I really enjoyed those products as well. Comment below which product was your favorite, and y'all never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you. Tiffle. Bye guys. It's Slim Reshae, natural beauty.